Hello, my name is Samantha and I've co-founded both Kenboru and Lin. Kenboru was started by a team of 3. The name Kenboru means health bowl in Japanese, and we specialize in Japanese Western fusion bowls. Ever since young, I've worked alongside my mom to help her in the kitchen to cook out meals for the family. Since then, this interest of cooking gets in me, which makes me want to cook delicious food for others. It wasn't easy for me because I didn't have any prior experience in F&B, and I got to say that cooking for masses is really different from cooking for family. We have to constantly think of ways to actually improve and innovate so that we can create food that appeals to the masses. Being able to serve food to customers and seeing smiles on their faces, it's really a sense of achievement and a satisfaction to me. I think it is important to pursue your passion. Always believe what your heart tells you and not what others say. And when the opportunity comes, just go for it without any regret.